Hello and welcome. In this lesson, we are going to be talking about number formatting. So we're going to use this as our example because we have text, we have numbers in terms of price, and then quantity of the items purchased or intended to be purchased. Now, if you look here we have a specific group that is allocated to numbers. And it is here. So you have this group, that is the number group. When you are dealing with number in Excel, that group is your friend. So you can see that in the number group, we have currency, we have percentages, we have decimal points, and if you expand the group, this group, it has so many things. It's also the group that formats, where you can format dates and time and percentages and fractions and so many other things. And even here, you can deal with alignments, you can deal with fonts, you can deal with borders, you can deal with fill, you can also lock or hide your data here. But we are concerned with numbers. All right, now let's start with this. We notice numbers is about the cost of items. So it is written in a particular currency. It's a price. So we are in Nigeria. The default currency in Excel is dollars. And you can see that immediately I hit on the currency, the dollar sign. It's not only introduced the dollar sign, it also converted the numbers into 2 decimal places. Because you could have $250.39. You could have $380.23. However, we are in Nigeria. How do we change these dollars into the Nigerian naira? So we come here. If you cannot find our currency at the top 4 here, then we can click on currency and then look at the symbol here. We have the dollar symbol, and if you trace that down to the right, you have the drop down arrow. If you click on this, you have various currencies, various numerous currencies. All right, so you can actually, scroll down to look for the Nigeria naira, NG, N. Let's look for N, LMN, NGN. That is Nigeria naira, and click on OK. Beautiful. So you come here and you will see that the currency has been successfully changed to Nigeria naira with 2 decimal places. But if you look at this, data, it's not looking so clean with the 2 decimal places in place. So you may want to reduce the number of decimals to make these numbers, to make this column appear more pleasing to the eye. So you can do that by reducing the number of decimal places. Like if you look at this one, this says increase decimal, decrease decimal. So if I hit this once and then the second time, it will remove the decimal places. If I click out, yeah, this is looking better. It's looking better. So those are various ways by which you can format your numbers. If you're dealing with currency, you can pick the currency of choice and then decide on whether you want to introduce decimal places and the number of decimal places that you want to introduce. I'll see you in the next lesson.